What's going on? So today we got a video from Blue Line Body Cam, and the title of the video is "Woman Tries Playing Cop Until the Real Ones Show Up." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about.
This woman has been harassing passersby and is about to share her bizarre behavior with the cops.
Oh, do not bite me. You're gonna get...
Show us, Steve, baby! Show us, baby!
And if you kick someone, you're gonna get hurt.
Cops have arrived on the scene to reports of people throwing drinks over each other. They must now figure out who caused this chaos.
What's going on?
They threw coffee on me and I took my shirt off.
And you took your shirt off? Okay, who threw a coffee on you?
His friend. Her.
Okay. Okay.
Her friend.
I didn't even have a coffee.
Hey,
She's the one that called you. Her boy that's selling dope out here done poured coffee on me, and I done tipped over a fucking umbrella on his ass and chased him out of here. So you know
What is that?
Oh, whatever. Here.
No, I don't know. No.
Oh, okay.
I'm just asking.
Well, it's water with this weird shit my mom made.
Okay, you don't need to show anything, okay? No,
That.
you're good. Okay.
Okay.
You're good.
Okay. They threw shit on me, so I'm trying to dry it out.
Okay.
She's selling dope.
Okay, let me talk to them, okay? And then
Yeah.
try and figure out what's going on. You took it off. I don't know why you took it off. Go ahead.
Yeah, there was a guy that's walking up the road and she started harassing him. She chased him around the car. She kicked all the shit, all the tables and umbrellas over. She got all up in my face with her glasses. She started insinuating she was throwing kids or whatever on him. So he did throw his coffee on him.
Hey, stop. Stop.
Okay.
You open your mouth again, you're going to jail. I don't care. Do you understand me?
Yes.
Someone threw a drink on her, yeah.
Because she was following them?
Because she kept chasing him, like she's chasing him and pulling at him, and he's like, get away! And, like literally running out in the street from her.
Are you really doing that? I don't care. You throw it.
You want to go to jail for littering now? Pick it up.
Oh shit. Well, ain't nothing in it. There's a penny.
Well, that's littering.
Oh, okay. I'll call my dad. I'll just get more.
Go ahead, call your dad. I don't care.
Okay, I will.
Good phone number.
6490496.
Hey, stop.
What she said about
Stop.
Okay. She said some weird numbers.
What'd I tell you?
It's like this is like he's talking to his daughter or something. Like, be quiet, stop. But she just keeps nagging and going on, but she's definitely on something though. You could tell, like you could look at her eyes and it's like knock knock, nobody's home type vibe, you know?
What'd I tell you?
Numbers. Their numbers are gonna sell drugs here again. I'm gonna bust in their and I'm gonna go to jail for it.
Let me know when they're done.
You go ahead, I'm just waiting.
That's my ID.
I know.
What am I doing?
Going to jail.
Why?
Don't resist.
Why am I going
Don't
to jail?
resist.
I'm not
Relax.
a property. You're
Matter, stop.
For what?
Stop.
I don't have a warrant.
Stop.
I don't have a warrant.
You don't need a warrant, okay?
Stand up.
You're
Stand
gonna
up.
break my arm.
You can put it on the ground and get the
I
cuffs
have
on
no
you and
beer. I have nothing on me.
Sit down.
Illegal. I have nothing.
I don't care.
I have no
You're gonna make
warrants.
this so much worse.
I have video.
You're gonna make this so much worse.
Why am I going for a date? A date? A date? My lawyer's right over there.
Okay, good. I'm glad.
Okay, give me back my ID. You have no
My lawyer.
You have no right.
Stop.
You're gonna let them do this. You're wrong.
Stop.
Oh, do not bite me. You're gonna get...
Young lady, stop.
Why am I being arrested? You're wrong.
If you try and
You
bite us or
are
hurt us...
dead ass wrong. I'm on camera. Right there. You see that camera? You see that camera? My baggage.
We'll get it.
My bags.
We'll get it.
Hurt me. I'm gonna get lots of money. I'm gonna sue you. 8 years. 8 years.
Stand up. I got her.
You carry your feet.
She know that hurt. She acting like that don't hurt.
My glasses.
Walk. Walk.
My glasses. Why am I
Walk.
getting arrested? I'm showing a judge everything. Why am I being arrested? Why? All this excessive force. Okay, I guess I'm gonna get
excessive.
Take a seat.
Excessive force.
Don't spit in my face. Have a seat.
You swear
Have
to
a
get
seat.
my
Yes,
back
have a seat.
and my glasses.
Yep.
Oh wait, I'm pointing to it.
Stop. Stop. Sit down.
Oh my god,
Freaking stop.
I am.
Just like a 2-year-old.
She tried to bite me.
Huh?
She tried to bite me.
I thought she was trying to spit on me.
No.
Dude, there's a weirdo back here. Oh my god, there's a weirdo. He's throwing rocks and shit.
So what did
I give these cops credit because you don't know what people be having nowadays, man. Trying to bite you, oof, or spit on you. Oh man, I would lose it. Absolutely lose it. Somebody spit on me, man.
you see happen?
She walked over to him and talked to him, and then I saw.
She threw it everywhere?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, before that, she was over there, just kind of like making.
Okay.
Yeah.
Acting all over the place?
Yeah.
Hey,
Wait, hold on. Do that again? Do that again? What she was doing?
Before that, she was over there, just kind of like making.
Okay.
Yeah.
Acting all over the place?
Yeah.
hey, what am I being arrested for?
Come back on the other side. Sit down.
Okay, but what am I being arrested for?
Disorderly conduct.
What the f? Because I didn't want you to sell crack? Okay. That's gonna work in court really well. Oh, I'm finna tell.
She probably smokes it.
No, we've seen her around here for probably a while now, but this is easily the craziest thing I've ever seen her do. But
This? What was that? What was
You hit my
that?
car one more time, and I'm gonna hobble you. Do you understand me?
that?
Sit back.
That was a gremlin?
Sit back.
I don't know. Disorderly conduct. For what? Looking good? Bitch, you right. You ain't wrong. I'm sorry. Did I hurt your feelings? Oh my god,
Get
I
over
didn't do anything.
Get over here so I can put your seatbelt on.
Okay.
Don't pull your hand out of that handcuff. You do.
I don't know, you're talking about Will.
Yeah. You've already pulled it out once, haven't you?
No, I never would do that, dude. You're weirdos. I never did that. Why are we going the wrong way? The criminals went that way.
Pulling over at the station. She slipped that.
No, I'm not gonna do that. Why are we doing all this extra shit? I'm not.
Oh, don't start that crying now.
Stand up. Get out.
For what?
Get out so I can fix
Why
your
are you
handcuff.
arresting me? You just ripped my hand out of the damn thing. You
Face
broke
the,
my wrist.
face the car.
I have no words.
She's not looking.
I have nothing. You fucking
Hey, we're on the First Avenue side when you get here.
ripped my hair.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
They know that.
Get in the car.
My hair is in my face. I can't see.
Okay,
Stand up.
I need my hair out of my face. Move
Well,
it.
stand up and I will.
Help you.
come on, get in the car.
Move my hair.
Ma'am, stop resisting.
Move my hair. You're gonna get hurt. Oh god.
Wait, bend your leg. Bend your leg.
They're gonna hurt me.
You gotta stop.
You
Sit
have
up.
no right to arrest me.
Okay, sit up.
I can't sit, ma'am. I can't see. They have no right to
Listen,
do this.
we're gonna roll you to your left.
Okay.
Okay? And now you're gonna sit up. And if you kick someone, you're gonna get hurt.
My foot
do you
is
understand that? Sit up on your foot.
I'm sorry.
Sit up on your
I like that. Now we talking. If you kick somebody, you're gonna get hurt. That's the warning. So you better act right. You better get your act together because they tired of your shenanigans. They tired of the bullshit. Tighten up. You know what I'm saying? Whatever drug she on, she bobbing and weaving, tripping out. She better lock in, zone in on what these officers are saying because big boy, he already tired of it. And now you finally got the female officer Tired of your shit. And the worst thing a female wants is a female officer on your ass, boy. Cause we know the ladies, they be going, you know how they get down. So she better tighten up.
But you gotta move my hair out of my face.
Sit up on your butt.
Move my hair out. Move my hair again. Thank you. Yeah. I'm okay. I can't see. I can't see. Man, they have no right to do this.
You need to relax.
They have no right
You
to
need
do
to relax.
this. I have 8 years. 8.
Ma'am, please stop.
Stop! You understand?
What the?
What I say? Listen, I don't watch these videos beforehand, but I told you, I said, yo, big boy, he already fed up. He already done. You feel me? He got her right. Bent her wrist, a little pain compliance, got her ass together.
They have no right
You
to
need
do
to relax.
this. I have 8 years. 8.
Ma'am, please stop.
Stop!
Buckle your seatbelt.
What the?
Stop.
What the was that?
Stop.
You better fucking shut the up. I got 8 years. I'm fucking criminal negligence. Go ahead, baby. Show us. Show us, baby. Say. Show us, say, baby. Show us, say, baby. Show us, baby. You finna pay for my house. What are we doing?
Give me the other foot.
Some weird, like, huff thing? What is this? What is this? What is this weird shit? Is this a sex thing? Oh, no, I ain't doing that. I ain't doing no sex thing, bro. Is this a sex thing? Is this a sex thing? Is this a sex thing? No, I'm not doing no sex thing, bro. Shut the door. Bye-bye. Goodbye. No.
Stop! You understand?
You ain't doing no weird shit to me. The f is wrong with you? Are
Do
you
not
finna
grab
break-
that again.
You finna break my hand off or what? My pussy, bitch. Goodbye. Goodbye, bitch. That was weird. That was really weird. I don't know. That was weird. And you have no f***ing right to do that. Because I'm not on probation. I ain't got no warrants. I ain't got no charges. And I'm not finna piss for you. Just cuz. And I'm gonna piss on myself before I piss for you. It's okay. Listen. You're gonna hurt me in here. This is gonna be really bad. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. No, you're not. You have no reason to arrest me for this weird shit you talk of. And you better call them all out here with the wheelchair because I'm not gonna be compliant at all. Come on out.
Come on, Eleanor. Let me get your shoe.
Okay.
All right.
My
Are you?
hair tie.
Where? I get it. I can't take the shirt. Come out.
Dude, he took my hair tie and my sock and everything. Like,
Let me see it. Let me put it.
what's going on with you? He said,
She was charged with resisting without violence and disorderly intoxication. She did not contest these charges and was ordered to pay fines and fees of $550. At Blue Line Body Cam,
I don't get it why they be setting these fines and fees. I mean, you ain't never gonna get it. You ain't never gonna get it. Never. Never. Somebody like that, you ain't gonna get that. And then she gonna have probably a warrant or whatever the case may be, and it's gonna be a revolving door. But what about Big Boy? I don't know. His patience was kind of, ooh-wee. His patience was wearing real thin. He got her on her ass over a seatbelt. Man. Yeah, this whole seatbelt thing, you know, they gotta buck you in because it's like you're handcuffed. So it's like if they get into an accident, there's literally nothing you can do. You're just sitting duck. You know, that's it. You cooked. But anyway, I think the officers did pretty good. The one guy, yeah, you know, I like pain compliance, but I mean, I don't know. I'm gonna give them a 3 out of 5 though. Let me know in the comment section what you think, you know, their rating should be or whatever, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.